Hi, welcome to a new hair tutorial. This tutorial was inspired by Daenerys Targaryen in Game of Thrones, and one of my favorite hairstylists on YouTube duplicated this hairstyle. She used hair extensions and a hair platform, so I'm going to be trying to do this hairstyle without hair extensions. Follow along and I'm sure you'll be able to do it as well. So as you can see, I paneled off two sections of my hair, and on the heavier side I'm going to be separating it into three. And you can see I'm folding under, so that is a Dutch braid that we're going to be doing. We're basically going to be using up this entire panel, just braiding on down. If you want this very detailed, gather in small sections. If you don't care to have that much detail, gather in larger sections, and it'll go a little bit faster. Once I have all the free hanging hair braided in, I'm going to go back and pancake the top part, because Daenerys has a ton of volume in that wig of hers, and I want to duplicate that as much as possible. So I go down about 5 stitches, pancake that section, go down another 5 stitches, pancake that section, and that way I don't get so much pull all the way through my braid and it stays where I put it. I'm doing another panel here, and I want it straight across the back because this is where I'm going to be putting my hair platform. Brushing all the hair upwards. And this comb is attached to the hair platform. This is the same type of material as you would get with the bun maker. I found these on eBay, and there's a ton of them. They are super cheap, so very easy to get. I'm gathering the hair over the top of it, pulling it back towards the bottom, and I'm going to be securing it with an elastic. Once you have the hair secured, look at the top and make sure that it's folded over the platform. It's hiding it completely. And now we're going to start wrapping our braids. As you can see, because we braided this side directly back, just like the other one, it naturally just wants to go in the right direction to start wrapping around that platform. I'm going to wrap around as much as I can with the hair that I have, and once I reach the end, I'm going to try to tuck it under my braid. If your hair isn't long enough to do that, you can tuck it under the second braid that you wrap around. And just look in the mirror, see how you'd like this to lay. And there you go. This is absolutely beautiful just the way that it is. So if you want to stop here, feel free to. I'm now going to be taking that ponytail that we have on the top and clipping it up out of the way. And right underneath where that ponytail is, I'm going to be drawing a line down to the side of my neck, right where my hairline ends. Brushing that upwards, because this time I want the braid to go upwards. Now I could French or Dutch braid this as well, but it's kind of difficult to braid upside down, and I figured it looked really pretty without doing that anyway. So I'm just going to be pulling it upwards and starting a regular 3-strand braid at the top. Hold your braid up as much as you can. When your arms start to give out or you can't reach, go down. Remember to pancake as much as you can. And we're going to do the exact same thing on the other side. Now with the rest of your hair, if you'd like to have it curly, that's certainly optional. I'm going to leave mine straight, and we're going to start wrapping again. And this is really going to get a lot of emphasis to this crown braid that we're creating. I like the definition of that ponytail hanging down on top of the freestanding hair. It really looks good together. So again, just pin all the way around, hide your ends, and that's it. That is the entire hairstyle. I love these braids and I love the look in the back. If you want to, you can use some hairspray on the sides to make sure those frizzies are not sticking out. If you like this tutorial, please give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. I hope you have a great week. And also don't forget to look below for the link I put for Siobhan's version of this braid. She does a wonderful job.